Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new to my channel. First, I want to say thank you for getting to my first 1,000 views, which was on my 2-day Halloween get ready with me prep vlog. But that's why I decided to give you guys a Valentine's Day. But yeah, right now I'm about to go to the beauty supply store to get this hair because I'm about to get a braided ponytail for the weekend. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys once I get to the store. But yeah, like I said, thank you again for my first 1,000 views. And yeah, let's run this one up just like y'all did that one.
I don't want your heart, baby, once before. I don't want you back, just wanna let you know. Say my love is bad, so you let me go. But my love is more, just wanna let you know. I don't want your heart, baby, once before.
Hey y'all, so the last time y'all saw me, I was on the way to buy the hair to get my hair done. This is the final look. I just got a simple braid ponytail, but right now I'm about to go get my nails done. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that because I've never been to her before, but if she lets me vlog, I'll vlog that. But if not, I'll just come back and show you guys what my nails look like after. But yeah, I really like how my hair came out. Yeah, I really like how my hair came out. I love braid ponytails on me. But I'll update you guys after my nail appointment. So yeah, see you guys later. Hey y'all, it's been a busy last 2 days. First, let me tell y'all how I ordered these shoes off Ego to wear my outfit for tonight, and they're not coming. So I went to the mall looking for some shoes. The only pair of shoes I found, they weren't in my size. And yeah, no other store in the mall had any shoes that would look right with my dress. So I came back home and I looked through my closet looking for shoes. Tell me why I have some shoes perfect for my dress just sitting in my closet. I swear I've never seen these shoes ever before in my life. I don't remember buying them or nothing, but I'm so glad I found them. And yeah, that reduced a lot of stress on me because I really was thinking I had to change my whole outfit, and I had this shit planned for like a month now. But yeah, I don't think I ever showed y'all my nails. I just got a short French tip. I'll show y'all better in another clip. But yeah, so right now it's 7:48 and we plan to take pictures like around 9. So really I'm about to be rushing, trying to get ready because I've been running around doing shit all day, editing everything. So yeah, I'm about to start getting ready. I'm gonna do my makeup and then fix up my hair, my edges, and get dressed. And I probably not gonna record that because like I said, I'm rushing. But yeah, I'll see you guys once I'm all ready to go and I'm all dressed.
Where a nigga in the get charged up. How the fuck you claim you love someone and you don't know the room? Let me study my AP and study, say what this bitch up with me tonight. Who knows? Still hit his butt, gonna take that jury back. That money shit.
2,000 years later.
Dragging up the mouse, we do the mouse style. Got a bitch in my coat, got a girl doing coke. We drink up and we smoke, but she always do the most. It kinda turn me on the way she licking on my stone. My chains on inner freeze, it look like I'm in a clone. Wanna see you get more sassy, if you think I better emotion. She called me a god. By the way, I floated in her ocean, but I felt like if I know her, she was already hooked. If you always there for me, that's a really good look. I'm changing up your salary, cause I'm getting to know you. Tell me your availability, I want all of you. If it's like that, if it's like that, if you like that, like that. I swear you'll get feisty, say touch.
So yeah, this vlog was initially supposed to be longer, but Tallahasse decided they wanted to storm today, and we were supposed to go to a brunch and it's outside. So yeah, that's dead. But I have another vlog coming after this. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video this far, like, comment, and subscribe. You already know.